Okay, so good day everyone. So today we're going to perform our laboratory regarding cabling. Okay, so these are the basic tools that we're going to use in our networking. And as we have discussed last time in our collaborations, I already introduced you the different tools. And okay, for the first tool, we have here this one. Okay, this is now the paper. Okay, crimping tool. So here, what we're going to do here is we're going to insert here our RG45. Okay, later on. So we have also here, you can also use this one as cutter as well to cut our UTP cable. Okay, so I will demonstrate that one later on. And then we have also here a wire stripper. So this one, I have also shown this one to you last time. Okay, so this is also another wire stripper. Okay, they're just the same, but the difference is that this one, it has a different sizes of wires. Okay, you choose what wires that you're going to strip. And also we have this one. Okay, the punch down tool. Okay, we're using this one later on. And if you're going to look at the punch down tool, there's a scissor here for you to be able to cut the existing wire. Okay, so another one is we have this cable tester. Okay, so we have two cable tester. This one is this orange is quite advanced because it is also a wire tracker. Okay, this one we have the I/O jack. Okay, so we're going to connect the I/O jack to our punch panel later on. And the I/O jack also here, we have here where you're going to insert the RG45. This will be connected to your computer. And also we have this UTP. Okay, this is the untwisted cable. And this is Cat5. Okay. And we have also another is we have the switch. Okay, this one. Okay, this is a small switch. Okay, you can manage this one. This is an unmanaged switch, and this is also used for you to be able to expand your network. And also this is a router. Okay, so we're going to connect our switch to our router. Okay, and after this, what we're going to do is we're going to have the cabling. Okay, but first we're going to use this cable. Okay, we're going to use the straight through, and then we're going to check for the connections. Okay. So what we're going to use is this one. Okay, we're going to use this crimping tool, and then we're going to measure maybe a 1-inch size, okay, or like a thumb size, and then you're going to insert here. Okay, if you can see, there's a hole here. Okay, you just insert your UTP cable, and then I'm just going to cut. Okay, then I'm going to remove this one. Now this is now your inside your UTP cable. So there are 4 pairs that are twisted. Okay. Okay, so this is not cut 5, this is cut 6. Okay, so take note, if you're going to look at your cut 6, so there is a plastic inside that separates the 4 wires, no? 4 twisted wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this one. Okay, we're going to cut this one. Okay, and then we're going to untwist this one, these wires. Okay, and then we're going to stretch the wires. Okay, to straight your wires. And then we are going to arrange your wires. So the first one, we have this like orange, and then you have orange, and then you have white blue, and then you have blue, and then you have white green. Okay, and then you have green first, and then you have white green, and then you have white brown, and then brown. Okay, so next we're going to make sure that your wires are arranged well, and see to it that at the tip of your wire, okay, it is straight. Okay, so we're going to cut the excess wire here. Okay, we're going to make it straight. Okay, so it's going to check. Okay, so we're going to cut. Then we're going to measure. Okay. Okay, so if you notice, okay, so we're going to cut a little bit here so that this portion here of your cable will be inserted here. Okay, so that when you're going to lock your RJ45, this will be included. Okay, so okay, we're going to cut until here. Okay. Okay, so let's check. We have white orange, okay, and then you have orange, and then white green, and then blue. Blue, and then you have white blue, and then green, then white brown, and then brown. Okay, so okay, then we're going to insert. So white orange, orange, and then you have white green, and then you have blue, Okay, white blue. Okay. Okay, so we're going just to straight the wires. And then we're going to insert, okay, the wires. And then let's check before we crimp. Let's double check. So you have orange, white, orange, orange. Then you have white, green, then blue, and then you have white, blue, and then you have green, white, brown, and then brown. Okay. Okay. So let's check. Okay. So I think we have, okay, white, blue first, and then green. Okay. Okay, so once you double check and then it's okay already, then what we're going to do is we're going to crimp this one. Okay, so just insert. Okay, insert our RG45, and then we're going to push. Now listen to the sound. Once it ticks, that means that the RG45 is already locked. Okay, then see to it that the wire here, okay, is included in your locking, so that later on your cable will not be loose. Okay, so let's do it one. Just go. Okay, listen to the tick. Okay, so sometimes it's very it's not really very soundful, but I think it's already locked. Now if you're going to check also, see to it that it is tightly inserted. Okay, now if you're going to look also at the RG45 here, okay, so if you can see, okay, there are gold metals here, and there are, it's like a pin. Okay, once you lock it, those metals will be inserted to your wires. Okay, that will make the connection. And now let's going to check using our this one. Okay, our wire tracker, or it could also be our cable tester. Now it's going to insert here on the other side, and also on the other side here, and then we're going to select test. Okay, let us see. So see to it that the numbers are the same. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3 until 8. So that means if it turns on, so that means that your cable is okay. Okay.